We're going to talk next about preceptorship, and all of you are identified as people who are preceptors for a CATIE accredited professional program. And so this is important to make sure that we are teaching our next round of students important documentation habits. And so it's important to know that as a result of knowing the social learning theory, that students model our behaviors. So we have the idea of seeing and being able to then replicate. So the idea of this lady understanding and thinking that she sees Facebook used all the time, and then it's kind of a little bit confusing when it occurs. But this is something our students do. So they will see you be able to document or understand and actually learn through that. That does not mean that you do not have to give them the opportunity to practice. Some of the further things we need to think about is you are a role model to our students. So upwards of 90% of healthcare students stated that you as the role model have shaped their attitudes and behaviors. So what are you modeling to your students? Are you showing them proper medical documentation techniques, or are you showing them things such as poor habits, not doing proper documentation, or not actually even completing the documentation? Those are some things to think about. We have seen in some previous research that there's a 5 key tips for preceptors and what they're doing. And the first is intentions for student involvement. So we know that athletic training preceptors want there to be learning and competence. They want that idea that athletic trainers get proficient at what they're doing. We also have the theme of practice and experience. So going through and having that time to get to practice and get that real life experience. And then we have any deterrents. So things that hinder athletic training documentation, specifically within our students. The last two that we see are some logistics. So ensure that your students are getting time and that they're getting the mentorship with a degree of oversight, but make sure that you're not over top of them the whole time. So within athletic training, you are allowed to allow the student to document, tell them don't press save in your electronic medical record, and then you're able to actually go back in, review with the student, put both of your names on it, and ensure that the documentation is up for quality. And my biggest piece of advice to you is, why do you double the work? So we're already overworked, we already have too much to do, so why put more time into it? So double documentation includes whenever you have 2 forms of documentation. So if you write and then record in an EMR, or have the student do the same. So let's try to avoid that to allow you to have the most proficient time as an athletic trainer. And that is like a finished part of the visual aspect of our ABPCEU. So if you have any questions, my contact information is readily available to you, as is any information on social media. So thank you.